Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com, the very first of its kind. This is a crowned jewel among the gems under construction, the very first 4-unit exclusive gated complex built in 2022 in the upscale community of Huntley Crescent, St. Anne. It sits on approximately a quarter acre of land with an ultra-modern design. This split-level unit on the ground floor boasts a front porch, garage, a den, open-concept dining, kitchen and living room, along with a bedroom, bathroom, laundry room, and back porch, all with a spacious design theme. On the first floor, there is a primary room ensuite with a double-sided walk-in closet and jacuzzi with a personal continuous front and side balcony. On the other side of the first floor, there is another front balcony, 2 other bedrooms ensuite with built-in closets, and a back balcony with potential for a swimming pool. All the amenities, including electricity, piped water, internet, among others, is available. Articles included in the sale is dishwasher, electric oven, clothes dryer, and wash tub, whilst open to negotiation on others. This house is in pristine condition at the perfect location. Why not make it your destination? Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 73.5 million, US 465.8 thousand, Canadian 666.8 thousand, Euro 427.9 thousand, or £362,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.